In this video, I will show you how to find your Steam ID. To get started, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. And once you've done that, you want to come and click onto your name at the top here, where it says Manage Account. Now from this menu that comes up, you want to click onto View My Profile. And once you're on your profile page, come over to the right and click the Edit Profile button. From here, make sure you're on the general section, and then what you want to do is scroll down to the custom URL box just down here. Now, as you can see at the moment, it currently gives me my profile here, but to find your actual user ID, your profile ID, all you need to do is simply delete your custom URL. What that's going to do is reveal your ID underneath, which is this sequence of numbers after where it says profiles. So what you can do is just go ahead, copy this, and then paste that wherever you need to. And that's how to find your Steam ID. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.